Guys, when you think of an Arab like me, you think of camels, you think of oil, you think of desert. And it makes sense. This is all we see from this part of the world. We see the old, we see the bad stuff. But what about the good stuff? To answer that question, I went to visit the United Arab Emirates in person. And what I saw there will make you think twice about the desert. For example, take their Hope mission. It's a new mission developed by Arabs for the first time ever to reach Mars. Yes, people in the Middle East are going to Mars, and I bet you didn't know about that. This is a probe that will study weather on Mars and help us understand it better, and it's launching now. Next week, Hope mission is going to lift off despite COVID-19, and when it succeeds, it will be history in the making because it will change the way we look at people from the desert. 400 people from around the world built this spacecraft, and 200 of them are Arabs.
And 34% of them are women. And they were hired not because they were women, but because they earned it.
This Hope will not only reach Mars, it will reach the hearts of kids. Kids in this part of the world need the inspiration. They need to look at scientists who are building cool stuff to send to faraway lands.
The point of this is not to reach space, but to inspire Arab youth and to send a message of hope to all Arabs.
I hope it does, because honestly, we need it. Thousands of years ago, my people were the inventors. We invented algebra. We discovered stars. We started universities. But at some point, all of that stopped, and we became known for what is bad in the world: war, poverty, problems. That's why everyone should know about Hope mission. It's the story of how Bedouins went from the desert to orbit Mars in less than 48 years. It's turning the impossible to possible.
So the nice thing about science and science missions is the fact that it's beyond just the national identity of a nation. It's about being the citizen of Earth.
When I was a kid, I wanted to be an astronaut. But then someone said, space doesn't belong to your race. And to that person, I have an answer. Space belongs to my race and your race. When we focus on science, we can make Earth better and reach Mars together.